15 minus parenthesis 2 plus 5 times 3. Now parenthesis 2 plus 5 will give us 7. Then we have 15 minus 7 times 3. 15 minus 7 will give us 8. Then we have 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is equals to 24. 24 is the wrong answer to this question because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our parentheses because it comes first. Now our parentheses, we have 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 will give us 7. Then we'll bring down our 15 here. Then bring down our 3 here. Now we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because multiplication comes before subtraction, which is this 7 times 3. 7 times 3 will give us 21. Then we have 15 minus 21. 15 minus 21 will give us negative 6. Negative 6 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.